Okay, we are back to discuss our charcoal. You'll need a pencil. You'll need your blending stump or stumps, whichever size you want. You'll need a white charcoal pencil, and then you'll need 3 black ones. So you'll see on the sides there are numbers. There will be a 4B soft, a 6B extra soft, and a 2B medium. So you will want to get one of each of these. Okay, there should be more than enough over there. So that was a 4B soft, a 6B extra soft, and a 2B medium. Okay, so once you have, and you also want to get a piece of paper, just a regular piece of paper. So once you get started, you'll want your drawing, which you've already drawn out, which that was the first thing you should have done. Gotten all 3 of your drawings taken care of. Just making sure you can see all this. I would probably start off with your 2B, and you're going to start adding the black in. Okay, you're doing it very lightly. Now don't go gung-ho when doing this, because remember, you're adding the black in a little at a time. Now you can go back in with your stump. Don't forget, you'll need to have sandpaper to clean it if it gets too dirty. And remember to always sand it at an angle. And then you can come back and you can blend out those lines for the charcoal. Now, for areas like this that are really, really white, you can come back with the white and make that really, really white. Wow, my voice is cracking. That's not good. Okay, and then you could come back and blend that out. Now, obviously, if you mix the black charcoal with the white charcoal, you're going to end up with a gray. All right, so if you take your extra soft, this is, you can already see, did you see that, how soft and dark that went on there? Okay, be careful with that, because once you use that, it is really hard to get back up. Okay, and it's going to be really easy to smear. So if I would take my hand and go over it like that, I'm just going to smear it. See, and I've got it all over my hand and everything. So this is another reason why you have a paper here. So when you start getting down here to drawing, or left-handed or whatever, you can keep your hand on top of the paper and not smear. So this is just not outlining the lines. Okay, just remember that. The values are just not outlining the lines. You're actually coming in, I'm right here, and you are using I'm using the same technique. I'm using the scrumbling, and you can see the tooth of the paper, and that's fine, because we're going to actually blend that out. Because remember, you're observing the values of the fabric that you're drawing, and you're just recreating that. Now, just because you've blended that out does not mean you can't go back in there and put more down, because it is still a buildup. Now, when you start using the softer one, the extra soft, which was the 6B, this is where you want to use it at the end, adding it, because this is really, really soft. To add your like really, really dark darks. And then right in here, there is a white. Okay, so you're just going to be going in here and adding the white and the blacks. And then when you get to here, you're going to be using more of the whites than you are the black areas. So it's almost like a reversal. You're almost doing like an X-ray, which we will be drawing X-rays at some point in time. Okay, so this is more of just using the white more. You will be able to have the opportunity to come in and add black, because you will be able to see the black. It will help kind of line up some areas. But this is going to be taking this section, and you're going to come back in and add the white to it, and also add some more blacks to add the grays in. Okay. And that would be it. All right, so keep going. You guys are doing an awesome job. I think tomorrow or Wednesday, we're going to take some time and look at some people's pieces anonymously, or we'll just do it by table, by doing the tab references. So I'll go over that later. But let's see how we're doing, and possibly doing a small little table critique. So we'll see about that. Okay, thanks.